Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel, Gauri's Vibes. In this episode called Episode 2, we're going to be doing navigating in Scratch. So what I mean by navigating, we're going to be going to each kind of buttons and see what they do. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for new notifications. So, you'll have to go to scratch.MIT.edu. Let me just sign out of my account. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Okay, if you're already in your account, like signed into your account, that's great. But if you don't and you see a join Scratch and a sign in button, click on the sign in button. Type your username and password in Scratch you made, or I should say create. If you don't have an account or you didn't create one, go to my channel and click on a YouTube video I made called Episode 1 on how to sign into Scratch, or I should say create an account in Scratch. That way you can create an account, and also once you're done, you can watch this video. So once you enter your username and password, click on sign in. Once you're done, this is what it should look like. It should have you signed in and you should see your account. If you don't see it, that means you're not signed in. Now, once you're signed in, you're going to click on the create button. If you click on the create button, it should show you creating a project. So this is what it should look like. It's just loading, but it'll show you this, okay? It will save your project, but sometimes it'll say to save your project. That time you should save it. But this will be all the coding you see here. See that? Which we will cover in episode 3. But for now, let's continue here. So once you click on create, it'll create a project for you, which you can start coding if you want, or you can wait till I upload episode 3 on how you can make an easy mouse trail. Okay? Click on explore to see other people's projects. You can see here a lot of people's projects are here. You can click on each section to see animations, art, games, music, stories, tutorials, and more. Okay, you can click on the studios to see the featured studios or the featured projects. Okay, if you click on ideas, it will show you tutorials in Scratch, ideas which you can make in Scratch. If you don't, you can see these tutorials if you want, if you don't know how to code, or you can just see a tutorial if you want. You can also download the Scratch app, which will be on your computer if you download it, but you don't have to. And also, if you click on About, it'll tell you what Scratch is all about. It'll show you a video to watch, and it'll tell more info. Also, I wanted to tell you is when you create a project, you can click on the world kind of thing button. If you click that, you can click on your own kind of language where it'll show the coding in your own language. Let's just click on some language like this. So once you see that, it'll say your own language, and you can read that if you don't know English, or if you prefer your own language. See that? Okay. But if you click on the About Scratch button, it will tell you more about Scratch. If you click on the search button, you can find other people's projects by just entering the project's name. If you click on this button called Messages, this will show you all about your messages. And also if you click on your file kind of folder, I mean your My Stuff folder, it'll show you all your projects. Okay, and if you click on the language, see that I clicked on that language and it says the language name. See that? my project's name in that language. Okay. Wow, it says a lot in here. Okay, but anyways, okay, if you want to change your language, just go back to your project, click on this, and I'll click on English. Let's check that. English, there we go. And then, yeah. Okay. Let me just refresh so we can see everything in English. There we go. Tutorial on how to make a mouse trail, which is so fun. So I hope you like this video and stay tuned for more. Bye!